You understand? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, now we finished this, so let's go to, we need to start today translating the paragraph of today's lesson, which is الإمارات اليوم الإعلام. Okay, so الإعلام, which is الإمارات اليوم, you know, image today. We learned this lesson before, so I decide to to make a paragraph about this lesson, which is الإعلام, and also I wrote it here to translate it. So we need to we need to read this paragraph and the translation down. This is a kind of جريدة الإمارات اليوم. هي جريدة محلية تصدر في دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. تصدر على شكل جريدة مطبوعة وجريدة إلكترونية. تتكون من الأقسام التالية: محليات، سياسة، اقتصاد، حياتنا، وسائط متعددة، سياحة وسفر. تقدر أن تحصل على المعلومة وفي نقل الخبر بسرعة ودقة أكثر في هذه الجريدة من أي جريدة أخرى. So we need to translate this to English. Already I did that for you, so you don't need to write any. You don't need to translate it by yourself. I did that, but I need you on your copybook to write Arabic and English as a translation, because I need you to know the meaning of this to be able to answer the question in the quiz. I'm going to talk about the quiz after writing this translation. Okay, so you need to write translation, ترجمة. You need to write the Arabic paragraph and English paragraph, translating for that. And after this, I will talk with you about how the exam will be. Quickly, please.
Do we have to write the Arabic?
أيوة، لأنه العربي مش موجود في الدرس.
Oh, okay, we have to write it.
Ali Salim, you finished how, yeah, mister? Just now we start.
Mister, do we need to write the Arabic?
Of course, Arabic paragraph, it is not there in the lesson, so you need to write it. The Arabic paragraph, it is summary of our lesson, but this Arabic paragraph, it is not there in the lesson. So we need to write it, the Arabic and the English, to understand. Because this Arabic is summary, but it is not there in the lesson. You can go and check the pages I sent you about lesson 2. You will not find any Arabic text. Adnan, you finished writing? How come? You finished writing the Arabic and English? No, don't text. Just open your mic and talk.
No, I didn't mean to do that.
So please, I need you to
usually
write the
when you-
Arabic and English.
Yeah, I'm writing. I finished Arabic. I'm writing English.
Okay, thank you. So when you finish both, then you raise hand. Thank you.
I'm going to. Can I take a screenshot and then
No,
write it?
Yeah, but you need to write it now on your copybook. Quickly. Yellow students, we need to write the Arabic and English because the Arabic one is not in your book and the English translating of Arabic. So both we need to write it.
Mr. I finished the Arabic.
Mr.
No,
Will this
what?
be in the quiz? Will this be in the quiz?
Did you finish writing the translation? I said when you finish writing the translation we will talk about the quiz.
Okay.
يلا. محمد شو حكيت؟ ما سمعتك.
I finished the Arabic.
طيب والانجليزي يا محمد كمان لانه الانجليزي مهمه عشان الامتحان. حقول لك ليش بعد بس تخلص حقول لك ليش.
مستر ما هلحق أخلصها اليوم.
طيب خدها
كريم شوت.
طيب students just to save time I approve for all of you to take screenshot for this page, but please I need you to write it on your copybook because why I will tell you when you finish. So please now take screenshot for this page, Arabic and English. After you take screenshot, raise hand so I will know that you finished. I need you to take screenshot. I need you to take screenshot for Arabic and English and raise hand so I will know that you have it on your device. Then I will start talking about exam. شو بدك يا سيف؟
ما فيني أكمل الإنجليزي هلا لازم أخذ سكرين شوت.
عشان بدنا نحكي عشان الامتحان. Take screenshot now for Arabic and English, and after the class you can write it on your copybook. But we need to talk about the exam.
Okay, I took screenshots.
طيب. Still Ahmed Saleh وسيف. You didn't raise hand. أحمد صالح.
I took a screenshot.
تمام يا أحمد تمام. طيب students, I would like to talk about the exam, so you don't talk when I am talking. Just listen first, then you can ask. First, the exam will be on next Tuesday, May 19. The exam will be MCQ only. There's no writing, which means you will not write anything by your hand. You will select only the answers. As what I told you in the weekly plan, I'm telling you now, you need to study lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1, you need to study Mary Esther, what we study here. You need to study the text and the questions. Why? Because I will give you questions and each question has 3 options to select the proper answer. So you need to study the text to answer the questions, not to write the answer, to select the answer. So you need to study page 14 and 15. Also, page 9. You are writing with me or just listen. Listen carefully. Page 14, 15, you need to study, not to write the answer, to select the proper answer because, as what I said, it is MCQ only. There is nothing to write. You need to select the answer. To select the proper answer, each question will be having 3 options. You need to select the proper answer. So you need to study page 14, page 15, page 9. Then also you need to study page 24 and 25, the questions here, you remember, and اسم الجريدة and أقسامها. So you need to study, as what I said before, page 14, page 15, page 9, page 24, page 25, and page 19. These pages you need to study. Plus, you need to study the grammar, which we learned before. In the week 1, week 2, week 3, we learned الجملة الاسمية, الجملة الفعلية, and الجملة الاستفهامية. الجملة الاسمية the noun sentence, الجملة الفعلية the verb sentence, and الجملة الاستفهامية which is a question sentence, how to make the sentence. This also you need to study. The question, the exam, the quiz will be MCQ. You need to select the proper answer from the whole paragraph. I mean, you need to select the proper answer from 3 options. Each question has 3 options. You need to select the proper answer. And also you need to focus on the grammar. So that's what you have to study for the next Tuesday, what we call next Tuesday quiz. Also, there will be one question which is a dictation. How it will be? I will give you a sentence. It has one word, spelling mistake. It has a spelling mistake. And I will give you 3 options. You need to select the proper one. Okay? That is the exam. Now, do you have a question before closing the meeting?
No.
خلاص. So see you tomorrow and thank you all.
Mr.
Bye. نعم.
Mr.
نعم.
we write something.
لا انت هتختار الجواب الصح من 3 اختيارات، يعني كل سؤال عليه 3 اختيارات وانت تختار الجواب الصحيح. يلا see you.
Mr.
Bye.
Will there be like the translate of the paragraph, the one
That
you
will
wrote
be
now?
in the second quiz, not next
After
week.
العيد.
The after
Will the
Eid,
words
yes, after
come
Eid.
from the قاموس sheet?